Hey there, do you want to know the secrets to getting rich quick? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you 22 incredible tips and strategies that can help you increase your wealth rapidly. So, stay tuned till the end because you don't want to miss out on these life-changing secrets. Getting rich quick is a dream many of us have. The idea of achieving financial success in a short amount of time is incredibly enticing. Who wouldn't want to live a life of abundance and financial freedom? That's why today, we're diving into the world of quick wealth accumulation and exploring how you can make it a reality. So if you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you dream of a life of luxury and financial freedom, well, look no further because I have the ultimate guide to getting rich quick. That's right. I've compiled 22 secrets that are guaranteed to help you achieve your financial goals in no time. Secret number 1, invest in yourself. Take the time to develop your skills and knowledge, whether it's through education, training, or self-improvement. The more you invest in yourself, the greater your earning potential will be. Secret number 2, start a side hustle. Find a way to make extra money outside of your regular job, whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering services to others. The more income streams you have, the faster you'll be able to build wealth. Secret number 3, save and invest wisely. Make a budget and stick to it, saving as much as you can each month. Invest your savings in assets that will grow over time, such as stocks, real estate, or a business. Secret number 4, take risks. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and take calculated risks in pursuit of greater financial rewards. Whether it's starting a new business, investing in a high-risk stock, or pursuing a new career opportunity, taking risks can lead to big payoffs. Secret number 5, network. Surround yourself with successful and ambitious people who can help you achieve your financial goals. Build relationships with mentors, investors, and other professionals who can provide guidance and support along your journey to wealth. Secret number 6, stay focused. Keep your eye on the prize and don't let distractions or setbacks derail your progress. Stay committed to your goals and work diligently towards achieving them. Secret number 7, be persistent. Building wealth takes time and effort, so don't give up when things get tough. Stay persistent and keep pushing forward, even when faced with challenges or obstacles. Secret number 8, take advantage of opportunities. Keep an eye out for opportunities to make money, whether it's a new business venture, a lucrative investment opportunity, or a chance to advance your career. Seize these opportunities when they arise and make the most of them. Secret number 9, learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes along the way to wealth, but the key is to learn from them and use them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Don't dwell on your failures, but instead use them to inform your future decisions and actions. Secret number 10, be disciplined. Building wealth requires discipline and self-control when it comes to spending, saving, and investing. Develop good financial habits and stick to them consistently to ensure long-term success. Secret number 11, think long-term. Don't focus on short-term gains or quick fixes when it comes to building wealth. Instead, think about the long-term impact of your financial decisions and prioritize strategies that will lead to sustainable wealth over time. Secret number 12, diversify your investments. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket when it comes to investing. Diversify your portfolio to spread out risk and maximize potential returns. Secret number 13, stay informed. Keep up to date on the latest trends, news, and developments in the financial world. Stay informed about market conditions, economic indicators, and investment opportunities to make informed decisions about your money. Secret number 14, set goals. Define clear and specific financial goals for yourself, whether it's saving a certain amount of money, paying off debt, or achieving a certain level of income. Set goals that are challenging but achievable and work towards them consistently. Secret number 15, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers and payments to ensure that you're consistently saving and investing money without having to think about it. Automating your finances can help you stay on track towards your financial goals. Secret number 16, seek out passive income streams. Look for ways to generate passive income, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or online businesses that can generate income with minimal effort on your part. Secret number 17, be frugal. Cut unnecessary expenses and live below your means to free up more money for saving and investing. Being frugal can help you build wealth faster by maximizing your savings potential. Secret number 18, leverage your skills and talents. Find ways to monetize your unique skills and talents, whether it's through freelancing, consulting, or starting a business based on your expertise. Use your talents to create income opportunities for yourself. Secret number 19, take care of your health. Your physical and mental well-being are essential to your ability to build wealth. Take care of yourself by eating well, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and managing stress effectively. Secret number 20, give back. Share your wealth and success with others by giving back to your community, supporting charitable causes, or helping those in need. Giving back can bring fulfillment and purpose to your life while also making a positive impact on others. Secret number 21, stay humble. Remember that wealth is not a measure of your worth as a person. Stay humble and grounded in your values, no matter how much money you accumulate. Secret number 22, enjoy the journey. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, so take the time to enjoy the process and celebrate your successes along the way. Remember that true wealth is about more than just money. It's about living a fulfilling and meaningful life. So there you have it, 22 secrets to getting rich quick that you must try. Follow these tips, stay focused, and work hard towards your financial goals, and you'll be well on your way to achieving the wealth and success you desire. Good luck. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, a bonus tip, the most effective secret for achieving quick wealth. Drum roll, please. The key to getting rich quick is, drum intensifies, taking massive action. That's right, the most successful people in the world don't just dream about wealth, they take massive, consistent action towards their goals. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to hustle. In summary, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've discussed the common obstacles to quick wealth, explored 22 actionable tips and strategies, and revealed the most important secret of all, taking massive action. Remember, the path to financial success is not easy, but it is definitely achievable. So take these secrets to heart and start implementing them in your life today. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about making money and achieving financial freedom, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. And don't forget to share your own success stories in the comments below. Together, we can inspire and motivate each other on our journey to wealth and prosperity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.